Hello Clingers! Welcome back to another episode of Ask Omni and Bryce. For today's video, we're gonna be doing some sort of a product review.
We're gonna talk about the Foldaway Bumper Mat. And this is a one-of-a-kind product review kasi we really tested out the product for 1 year and 8 months before we released this video. We're gonna discuss if this product is really worth your investment.
But before we continue, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back. If this is your first time to see us naman, we are Omni and Bryce, and together with our kids, we are #𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗆. So please subscribe if you haven't yet, and also hit the notification bell para updated kayo whenever we have new videos. And also, let's stay connected. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Omni and Bryce.
We're gonna talk about the Foldaway Bumper Mat,
which we actually got back in December year 2018.
December
Grabe!
2018,
Before
grabe.
pa mag 1 year old si Zed.
Yes, exactly. So, there. Ano bang klaseng foldaways yung kinuha natin, Daddy? Describe muna natin sa kanila, like the dimensions.
Okay, there are 3 options pagdating sa sizes.
Yes.
Meron tinatawag na standard, wide, and grand. And we got yung grand. Ayun, sorry. Parang iba yung nakuha ko. And we got yung wide.
So, the wide is actually 4.6 feet by 3.3 feet.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Pagdating naman sa colors available, there are different colors, but what we got is
Rainbow.
the rainbow one.
So, if you're into pastel colors, you can choose other colors like lollipop, olive green, vitamin.
It depends on the size, yung availability ng color.
Yes, pero kami naman, so for the wide variety, we chose the rainbow.
Yung rainbow, kasi gusto namin bubbly, mabuhay. If you wanna check more about this bumper mats, you can just go to
at Foldaway PH. They're on Instagram.
Yes, and nandun na rin yung website that you can click para makita lahat ng details na kailangan nating malaman.
Especially if you're already planning to buy. But before you buy, please listen until the end of this video muna. Kasi for you to know if this product is really for you. Siguro, Daddy Bryce, para mas objective i-review natin, let's talk about strengths and areas of improvement.
Okay, sige.
Magsimula muna tayo sa strengths.
Alright.
Strengths.
Okay, dyan ako maraming alam. Number 1 that I like about the Foldaway is that it's just easy to clean.
Yes, very easy to clean. Based on the parang initial reviews I heard about it or research I've done about it the moment we started thinking about acquiring this product. Yung material na ginamit nila is very safe to the point na kahit kagating siya, dilaan siya ng bata, it is safe. It's baby safe.
Okay.
So it's made of baby safe materials that are very, very easy to clean. Like, ako I only use toy and surface cleaner. Yung mga bottle cleanser na nakikita natin sa mga mommy shops or even in Mommy Mundo, yung mga yon.
Even si Zia actually kaya niyang linisin on her own.
Yes, yun. So, yun nga, madali siyang linisin, and at the same time, ako as a parent, I have no worries when it comes to, kumbaga, madilaan niya. Kasi especially the infants, no, yung mga nagingipin na mga bata, di ba, they really like biting whatever. Di ba, parang anything that they could grasp. Madali siyang linisin, so kahit madumihan, malawayan, whatever, it's safe, it's baby safe, and it's very, very easy to maintain. Another thing that I like about it, Daddy Bryce, is it's very modular.
Yeah, when you say modular, ibig sabihin, pwede mong bagu-baguhin yung shape, yung functionalities.
Yes, kumbaga you can transform it in whatever way. So,
like literally
transform it. You can use it as a crib kasi kumbaga may zippers lang yung mga gilid niya. So, it's very easy to assemble. It's made of zippers, so kumbaga wala kang kailangan na screw.
Right.
Hulog-proof. Kasi nasa surface siya.
Oh, yes.
Nasa floor siya.
Yes, nasa
diba?
floor
Nasa floor siya.
siya.
So, di ka mag-worry na baka mamaya yung baby mo mahulog or maaksidente. Yes. Ang maganda dito, Dad, ang pinaka na-enjoy ko doon, this is a crib na kahit nanay pwede.
Oh yeah. I
Kasha
remember nag-breastfeeding kayo ni Zed sa loob ng
Ang laki ko,
Foldaway
I'm
mat.
5'7" in height, pero kasha ako, so I don't need to take Zed away out of his crib, especially kapag tulog na tulog siya or antok na antok siya.
So ang convenient kasi diretso na sa tulog.
Diretso na, pasok ako doon, and then breastfeed ko siya, and then kapag okay na, nakuha niya na uli yung tulog niya pabalik, I can just easily leave without disturbing his sleep.
Naalala ko pa noon, ang gusto ko doon is paggising niya, kahit na magagapang siya doon or umiyak siya, naghahanap ng kasama, safe. Kasi nandun lang siya sa loob ng crib. Since ako yung nag-stay sa bahay, guys, ang na-appreciate ko talaga is ang dami kong nagagawa. I can be productive kahit na nag-aalaga ako ng isang mag-1-year-old pa lang that time. Kasi nga, naiiwan siya sa loob and safe naman. Bigyan mo lang ng laruan doon and sometimes samahan siya ng mga ate niya. Nakakatuwa guys, since we acquired nga this Foldaway mat before pa mag 1-year-old si Seb, before siya maglakad, doon na siya natutong gumapang ng mas maayos, gumabay-gabay or yung tumayo ng gabay. You know the term gabay, di ba? Yung hahawak. Talaga natutong lumakad. I remember, train ko pa siya talaga na maglakad doon. Ang nakakatuwa kasi, I can also join him sa Foldaway. So hindi niya na-feel na parang nasa ibang place siya. So hindi niya feeling na parang nakakulong siya. He's free to try everything, to explore. Eh malaking bagay nga doon, talagang sobrang naging helpful yung Foldaway sa paglakad niya kasi hindi kami takot kung bumagsak siya, kung mapaupo siya bigla, kung mauntog man siya, no? It was safe. Natuto siyang lumakad doon sa Foldaway. Naalala ko, tinatrain ko pa siya noon. Pag kami lang sa bahay niya, latag namin yung Foldaway. Tinatanggal ko sa yung pagka-crib niya. As in, ginagawa ko parang bed. Tapos doon siya maglalakad para mas wide.
Yeah.
Yan. And yun, natuto siya maglakad. The good thing kasi about that is hindi namin pinilit si Zed na maglakad agad. Kasi free siya eh. Parang he can move, he can do anything inside the crib or inside the Foldaway Bumper Mat. So, natuto siya ng malaya without anyone forcing him.
Yeah. Another thing is, it acted as a playpen. Not just for Zed, but also for the atis.
Oh yeah.
So, parang parang sa loob ng bahay, yung Foldaway mat, talaga yung favorite hangout nila.
Actually.
Especially when they want to, when they want to play. Kasi parang ang saya eh. Parang it's like a mini playground.
So parang katuloy may piece of
their favorite play place.
Yes, sa bahay, di ba? Oo, dun lang. Kasi ang nakakatuwa doon kasi it also acted, actually it still acts hanggang ngayon kasi ginagamit pa nila as a ball pit eh.
Yes.
Or ball pool. Diba? Kahit na hindi naman sobrang dami ng balls, basta may balls dyan, parang
masaya
feeling nila nasa labas na sila ng bahay. And aside from that, sobrang sulit. Kasi it's not only Zed who benefited or who benefit from it, but even yung mga ates.
We have 3 kids. One is a 7-year-old kid, si Zia. Si Zella naman is 5 years old. Si Zed naman is 2 years old na ngayon. Pero ever since 1 year and 8 months ago, all 3 of them really enjoyed this Foldaway bumper mats. Until now.
There was not a day na tinago namin yung Foldaway bumper mat kasi lagi ginagamit talaga.
Lagi. As in parate. Tapos, kapag hindi siya ginagawang crib or playpen, ginagawa nilang bahay-bahayan.
Bahay-bahayan, yes!
Yes, sobrang gustong-gusto nilang ginagawang bahay-bahayan. Tapos, nagpe-pretend play sila doon.
Actually, hindi lang sila, pati kami.
As in, favorite ng bayan nila. May kita mo sila doon sa may homeschool area. Pag tatagpi-tagpiin nila yung mga foldaway parts.
Aside from bahay-bahayan, ginagawa ng sleeping quarters,
hideout nila. They could do anything kasi nga sobrang modular niya. So they can redesign it according to yung imagination nila at that point.
Recently, they're really into gymnastics.
Yes!
Diba? Ang hilig naman ng mga modular gymnastics. Tapos, nag-headstand sila dyan, tumatumbling sila dyan.
They use that for training.
And they use the Foldaway for training.
So, syempre, Daddy, after ng gym, mapapagod.
Oo.
Doon na rin sila natutulog.
Yes.
Ginagamit nila for nap time. Kaya until now talaga, hindi namin ma-let go yung Foldaway na yan. Kahit na more than a year nang ginagamit, halos 2 years na kasi gamit na gamit pa rin even sa pagtulog. Not just ng mga kids. Even kami.
Yeah,
kami.
Yeah, there was a time na we went to Pampanga, tapos we brought our Foldaway, tapos doon na kami natulog. As in, nilalag namin siya parang bed. Tapos minsan din, nung summer, no? Gusto namin kasi mas presko rito sa baba, matulog. Dito kami natulog sa baba. Ang gamit namin yung Foldaway. Isa pa sa mga na-enjoy ko sa Foldaway is that there are times na mahilig kami mag-movie night eh. Kaya pag nag-movie night kami, ginagawa din namin siya na nilalatag namin siya sa harapan ng TV namin. Tapos doon kami nakaupo instead na sa couch. Kasi sa lapag na doon rin yung mga snacks, yung pagkain, yung drinks.
Kasi madali na maglinis.
So convenient siya. Aside from that, we also use it sa picnic namin.
Sa
nag-picnic kami sa veranda sa taas. Sobrang comfy talaga siya. Instead na nakabanig ka na medyo matigas diba,
Masaya kaya mag-stargazing sa veranda.
Oh yeah, we did that actually.
Nakahiga kami.
Ginawa namin yun. Humiga kami sa veranda.
Stargazing kami.
Namin yung mga stars.
Nakahiga lang kami sa Foldaway.
Nung birthday ko, yun. Ginamit namin yung Foldaway. Nag-picnic kami doon sa
veranda. Nilabas namin yung TV movie night while, stargazing. Ang saya.
But basically, guys, ayun, yung mga sinabi namin sa inyo, those are based sa actual experience namin.
Na 1 year and 8 months.
Yes.
If I may share ng Daddy Bryce, bago ko makalimutan, somebody actually offered to buy it. Yung parang from us.
Oh yeah,
She's a Foldaway user na, pero she wanted another one and she offered to buy our Foldaway mat. We refused kasi nga, gamit na gamit. I think tatagal siya ng maraming taon sa amin.
Yeah, kasi so far wala pa siyang sira.
Yes, very durable.
Gamit na gamit siya hanggang ngayon.
Yes, sobra. So, Basically, yeah, I think those are the strengths, Daddy Bryce. Na isa-isa na natin, Daddy Bryce, yung mga strengths, diba?
Okay.
So, ngayon, doon naman tayo sa areas of improvement.
Ano nga ba? Wala masyado.
Actually, challenge yun. Kahit ako kanina ko pa iniisip, ano yung area of improvement. Wala akong maisip na weakness niya.
If there's one thing na gusto kong ma-improve or kung pwede pa sanang ma-improve, pero although parang imposible na siya, is kung pwede pa sana siyang kapag inanzip mo, mas matupi pa ng mas maliit. So, pag nag-out of the country, you can bring it.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Or, speaking of out of the country, yan. Actually, may basihan to kaya namin ito nasabi. Kasi, one time, we went to Bangkok. Tapos, we really wanted to bring the Foldaway Bumper Mats with us. Kasi at that time, sobrang alagain pa si Zed. Kailangan, tapos wala kami kasamang yaya nun. So, we're traveling as a family for the first time together. And we'll be staying in Bangkok for 12 days.
Yeah.
Tapos ako kasi may business assignment ako nun. So alam ko na may iwan ko si Daddy with the kids. And ayoko naman yung tipong mamumroblema pa siya pag magsa-CR siya. So we really thought of bringing the Foldaway Bumper Mats with us. Kaya lang, nung na-impake na namin, kasi may sarili siyang bag eh. Yung out of the country na challenge kami kasi nga una malaki siya. So, kung mayroong area of improvement, siguro sana may mas maliit.
Sana pwede ba siyang mas matupi na mas maliit?
Mas compact na version. Or kahit na mas maliit na version.
The version.
Kasi kung for travel
smaller than standard.
Oo, a little smaller than
Pwede naman,
standard.
yeah.
Something that you can carry along when you travel.
Pwede
out of the
naman,
country.
yeah.
Pero, syempre, di ba, parang, I don't know, bahala na si manufacturer dyan, di ba? So, basically, that's our ano lang, kumbaga parang out of the box idea lang na kung sakaling pwedeng mangyari yun, panalo talaga.
Yun lang. Yeah, I think.
So there, yeah, I think that's it. Yun
So
lang.
yun, based on our experience, yun siya guys. So kumusta? Is it worth it? For me, it's a big yes. It's worth it if you're gonna invest, especially now. So go ahead and follow Foldaway PH on Instagram. If you'd like to inquire about the Foldaway Bumper Mats, just message them on Instagram or go directly to their website. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Just comment below if you also have questions or may mga input kayo. Once again, we are Omni and Bryce, and together with our kids, we are #𝗙𝗵𝗆. Always remember to cling on to your dreams because dreams do come true. So feel it till you make it. Bye! God bless you guys.
Don't you ever doubt, 'cause we got it coming.